So we needed a piece of this molding here for the roof overhang, and I was able to make all of this with with the table saw and some cutting on turning the angle of the blade several times. But this gouge here was definitely something I hadn't really done before. So luckily I had foreseen I would need to do this sort of thing, and I had purchased this cutter here for my table saw, and it comes with all these different blades, or I guess you'd call them blades, and there's three sets, or three to a set, and I had purchased this oval one. So what I did was I marked out what we needed to remove, and now I'm gradually removing a piece at a time. Now it's not going to be perfectly round. It depends on how much time I spend at it, but as long as I can get it pretty darn close, take that pencil, everything down to the pencil off, we will be in good shape to repair the roof overhang and close it in. So it just shows you what you can do with just a simple table saw and some cutters.